Hey there, I am Aditya Kamath. Welcome to your favorite channel AdiAdvik Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about a plus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube. In my last video, we had discussed about a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. And if you didn't watch it, you can go watch it by clicking on that thing right over there, which has pop-up. And I had discussed about also all the identities, all these identities and how they form. If you didn't watch it, you can watch it by clicking right over there again. Now let's continue with our video, this topic and the sum solving. I have a book here for solving sums. Now let's go. Now the first sum is find the cube of 3a minus 2b. The cube is 3a minus 2b the whole cube, and what identity can you use for this? Which identity is suitable? Can you make a guess? If you said this, then you are right. A minus b the whole cube is a cube minus b cubed minus 3ab into a minus b, which is 3a the whole cube minus 2b the whole cube minus 3 into 3a into 2b into 3a minus 2b, which is 27a cube minus 8b cube minus 3 into 3, 9 into 2, 18. 18ab into 3a minus 2b, which is 27a cube minus 8b cube minus into plus is minus, that's why minus 54a square b plus minus into minus is plus 36 ab square. This is the final expression, the final answer for this. It is very easy, right? Now let's move on to the next one. In my next sum, we are going to talk about plus b cube. Now let me clear the board. The board is clear now. The second one is 5a plus 3b, which is 5a the whole cube and 5a plus 3b the whole cube. And which identity is suitable for this? Yeah, you're right. It is a plus b the whole cube, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Then you will get 5a the whole cube plus 3b the whole cube plus 3 into 5a into 3b into 5a plus 3b. Then you will get 5 cube is 125 and a cube is a cube plus 3 cube is 27, b cube is b cube itself plus 3 into 5 into 3 which is 45 ab into 5a plus 3b. You will get it as 125 a cube plus 27b cube plus 225 a square b, a into a square and b is like that, plus 135 ab square. That's it. This is the last answer. Now let's move on to the next main, and it will be tricky. Before going there, let me clear the board. Now let's go to the second main, and it is if a square plus 1 by a square is 47, a is not equal to 0, find, you should find here a plus 1 by a. This is a plus 1 by a, the whole square, sorry. Now we are dealing with squares, is equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. You know what is a square plus 1 by a square? It is 47, right? Substitute it, 47 plus 2, which is 49. Then a plus 1 by a is here square, right? That's why root of 49, which is 7. This is 7. Now let's go to the next one. The second one here is a cube plus 1 by a cube. How can you find this now? This is a mixture of cube and square, as you can see. You will get a plus 1 by a, the whole cube is a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. And what can you do here? You can do substitute a plus 1 by a, the whole cube with 7, which is 7 cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. What is that? It is 7. 3 into 7. Then you will get 7 cube is 49 into 7, which is 343 is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into 7 is 21. Now let me clear the board. Now we were in this step. Afterwards we would get 343. Here it is plus, that's why this is minus 21 is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. what you will get is 322 is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. Hence, you got your answer. But you should not forget to include the plus or minus sign, because it can be both value in plus or in minus. It will be according to how the person takes. That's why don't forget to write this symbol. But the value will be 322 itself, but either it will be in plus or it will be in negative. Anything. That's it, guys. These were the basics. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to get some educational content like this in mathematics and science. Share this video so that your friends can know more about how to solve these types of questions, and include this. Bye for now. See you later in my next video.